Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Play Store or any browser on Samsung Galaxy A04s. And first let's try to download something from the Google Play Store, and as you can see there's error. The same thing is with Google Chrome. So if we try to reach any website like YouTube, there's an error. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to head on to our settings, open the General Management and enter date and time. Right here, make sure to select the automatic date and time. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to download the game or app again, it should begin. And the same is with Google Chrome, so we can refresh the YouTube page and it works fine as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.